Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Popnut token. Now I just uploaded a video on the Popnut token, which is a combination of Pepe and Pnut the squirrel. And now we have they both kind of came out similar times in the past 24 hours. This token actually came out 3 hours before the Popnut token. And this token, the Popnut token, is a combination of Popcat, the very popular Popcat meme token, and Pnut the squirrel. So we have Popnut, which is a frog and a squirrel, and now we have a cat and a squirrel, and maybe there'll be more to follow. But yeah, this is a token on the Solana blockchain that is doing extremely well. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the Popnut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual at Popnut_on-Sol. Popnut plus Pnut equals Popcat. Equals Popcat. Or no, Popnut. They got it backwards here. Popnut equals Pnut plus Popcat. Okay. So their Telegram is right there. You can follow that at Popnut_on-Sol. Has the contract address right there. And then it also has a link to their webpage right there. Popnut-onsol.xyz. So basically all the links you're going to need are on this Twitter right here. They have 772 followers, 99 tweets. And it says here, 7 hours ago, they tweeted out the airdrop process for Solana mobile holders is underway. If you hold the NFT Chapter 2 pre-order Sega Mobile, check your wallet and you will see. So a lot of Solana tokens do this. A lot of Solana meme coins do this. There's a Solana mobile phone and, they get airdropped all the time, these different tokens. So that's like an incentive to get the Solana phone here. I'm not sure. I mean, I've seen some reviews on it, but I don't know if it's going to do like I have the new Samsung S24 Ultra, and there's like lots of cool like AI stuff on there that you could do with pictures and all sorts of things. So I don't know if like the features on the Solana mobile are going to be like that cool, or it's just only good for holding Solana tokens, right? Is that like the only good feature of that phone is you could do crypto stuff, or is there other cool things as well? I mean, I'll have to look into it, but for now I'm just going to stay with normal mobiles and not go. I mean, I was looking at the Google Pixel, I've been looking at the Tesla phone. There's so many phones to choose from nowadays. But 1 hour ago they just tweeted out 18 times Popnut after another banger from my community, and then it says they reached 3.9 million and they're trying to get to 10 million. Now let's look at where they're at now. So if we go to the deck screener chart, right now this token is up 3,259% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $8.3 million. They've had 37,182 transactions. They have $226,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Deck Screener, 99.95% of the total liquidity in Raydium is locked and burned. Now this token is trending number 14 right now on Deck Screener in the Solana section. Pretty popular token today. They have been doing a marketing boost. They have the marketing boost number there, 1060. It also says here that this token only came out on Raydium. The pair was created 20 hours, 22 minutes ago. They have 527 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 43.5 million pooled Popnut tokens. It says, Popnut is a lovable squirrel character inspired by Pnut and Popcat, combining Pnut's legacy and Popcat's pop-pop mouth movement. Immortalized on the blockchain, Popnut pops his mouth open and closed, symbolizing freedom, joy, and a call for reform. So this token here has, let's see here. So they have a price today of 0.0025 USD, so basically a quarter of a penny right now. Now their Telegram is at popnut_on-sol. Contract address right there. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates, announcements, new token listings, partnerships, memes, all that good stuff. Now this token right now has 5,390 holders. So not doing too shabby here. And they have here, looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And right now it's 999.99 million total supply and circulating supply. On DEX Tools, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, community trust score of 100% out of 3 votes, and a quick intel security audit that says contract verified, no honeypots, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. Doesn't go over everything. Now, if you wanted to get this token here, you'd download a Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Soulflare or Phantom Wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with SOL. You could fund your wallet with SOL from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. You'd go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, popnut-onsol.xyz, you would trade your SOL for the Popnut token. It says 0% taxes, so you won't have to set slippage or anything like that. There is going to be a small amount of gas fees. And it says Popnut is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. It's for entertainment purposes only. So always read the disclaimers. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Popnut? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.